Celebrity chef and lifestyle expert Chef Jamie Gwen is back to celebrate the flavors of spring with creative recipes, festive Easter treats, and simple techniques that make cooking feel exciting and approachable this time of year. Hi, Chef.
Chef Jamie Gwen here with Spring's Best. One of my fridge staples is a snacking favorite. Everybody loves Alouette cheeses. They're chef-inspired, creamy, and flavorful. You can put them on a plate straight from the fridge, plus they're resealable so you can keep the cheese fresh and delicious. But you can also elevate your spring entertaining by making deviled eggs with Alouette garlic and herbs soft spreadable cheese, or wow, with my warm double creme brie with roasted strawberries. Look for Alouette in the deli aisle. Now, I love to make a spring orzo salad. Everybody loves it. And I always add a Pearl's specialty olive. You can always count on the quality of Pearl's olives. Each olive is handpicked and adds flavor to every dish. From the ripe black olives, no dye, all natural, to the garlic jalapeno stuffed or the smoked Kalamata. It's big, bold, fabulous flavor, and Pearl's is perfect for a spring orzo salad. And when it comes to making hosting easy, let me tell you about my new time-saving secret. Manischewitz, the leading kosher brand for over 135 years, has a new homemade chicken matzo ball soup line inspired by classic Bubby's Kitchen recipes. That's Yiddish, grandmother, of course. The new soup comes ready to serve in glass jars and includes clear chicken broth and chicken matzo ball soup. Or try the crisp water crackers, the matzah, the Passover cookie mixes, all designed for cooking and baking and celebrating family. For more information and recipes, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thank you, Jamie.